Yes, ones around the world because people need to know the truth. Enjoy. Mm, mm, It's currently 5 out of 10. Sounds like a computer barely dying. 11 out of 10. It's using skill that is silent. 0 out of 10. Knowing before his skill. Intensive. Sounds like a Roomba. I give it 3 points because I'm scared of Roombas. Germany, 5 out of 10. 0 out of 10. Not really scary. Very disappointed. 5 out of 10. This is actually scaring me. So, 1 out of 10. China gets a 20 out of 10. I don't want to voice saying that just I'm a creepy latest. Sweden 0 out of 10. Denmark 9 out of 10. Switzerland sounds like a 100 out of 10. Sounds like a microwave. 0 out of 10. Not even stereo. 0 out of 10. It's kind of like seeing my arms. The UK 1 out of 10. News United League. 9 is 10 out of 10. Never want to hear that sound again. 9 out of 10. Boo. 100 out of 10. Not even scary at all. And now, everyone in the country of all, I don't know if we're nation. So bye.